Welcome to the video for the questions that I've been getting on the homework for 3-2. Question 8, the main problem is question 8, how much would the profit go up if they sell X snow cones? So if they sell X snow cones, that kind of refers back to the previous question. How much would they sell if they? How much would they profit go up if they sell 10 more snow cones? How much would it go up if they sell 20 more snow cones? And people aren't really having trouble with that question. They know how to calculate the profit if they know how many snow cones. This kind of goes back to something that we discussed, if I can find it. If you watch the video for this lesson, question 14. Question 14 says, how much revenue describes the revenue from selling X snow cones? So this traditionally is a very difficult problem for people because you can't really do a calculation and you can't write down a number, which is what people are used to doing in math. But it's actually easier. When you're selling X snow cones, you don't know what the answer is because you don't know X. But you can write an expression. And we decided that we were going to calculate the revenue. We figured out that each snow cone was sold for 75 cents because 100 snow cones brought in $75. So we knew that the price of a snow cone was 75 cents. We were going to multiply 75 times the number of snow cones. So if they had said 10 snow cones, we would have multiplied by 10. But they said X snow cones, so we multiplied X times 0.75. We didn't write down an answer, we just wrote down an expression. When you're asked to calculate something using X, you're forced to use an expression, which is really kind of nice because you don't even need the calculator. You just say, when I figure out what X is, I'm going to multiply it by 75. That's all they're asking you to do really in question 8. You've decided what you're going to do with the number of snow cones. Talking about profit, how much would profit go up if you sell 10 snow cones, 20 snow cones? Whatever you did to calculate those answers is what you want to do in question 8. You just want to show that you're going to do it to X. So the answer to question 8 is an expression. It's not actually a number. Question 9, now let's put the pieces together. So you got question 3 and question 8. Question 3 was where you calculated the y-intercept, which was the value of when x was equal to 0. So it's all based on the Frosty the Cone Man, so the ice cream stand. So we've got when 0 cones are sold, what's the profit? So we've got that piece of information, and we've got, from question 8, we've got an expression for what you would do with the number of snow cones. You put that together to write an equation. So profit equals some number plus an expression, and it could be plus or minus. So question 10 then, you just take your equation for profit and you plug the value in. It would also help you to think about profit. Most of you have been able to think about profit in terms of just calculating a number based on the information without writing the equation. That will help you see if your equation makes sense. Anyhow, hopefully that helps you out with the homework. Let me know if you have more questions. Thank you.